Back cracking addiction is real. People that are addicted to cracking their own back are infatuated with the pop. The problem is, over time, continually cracking your own back will cause for ligament instability. And the problem with that is when you have a traumatic injury, a slip and fall, a car accident, you may cause permanent damage because of the ligaments being so lax. I suggest that you stop cracking your back and go to a professional so that not only they can realign, but they can also give you core stretches and strengthening exercises so it does not pop all the time.